Today, we're discussing a topic that every motor carrier, truck driver, and broker needs to know about: the biennial update. Now, I know paperwork isn't the most thrilling part of your job, but staying on top of this is crucial. So let's break it down and make it simple. First off, what exactly is the biennial update? In short, it's a mandatory update that needs to be filed every 2 years with the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, or FMCSA for short. This update keeps your information current in the FMCSA's database, which is crucial for staying compliant and avoiding hefty penalties. You might be wondering, what kind of information does this update include? Well, it covers details like your company's address, the number of vehicles you operate, and the types of cargo you carry. It's all about ensuring that the FMCSA has the most accurate data on file for your business. Now, here's where it gets a bit tricky. The biennial update isn't just a simple form you can fill out in a few minutes. It requires attention to detail and understanding of the regulations. That's where many folks get stuck. But don't worry, you're not alone. That's why we're here to help. FMCSAregistration.com is your go-to resource for all things related to FMCSA compliance. We specialize in taking the hassle out of filing your biennial update, so you can focus on what you do best: keeping America moving. But why is this update so important, you ask? Well, failing to file your biennial update can lead to your USDOT number being deactivated. And trust me, you don't want that. It can halt your operations and impact your business in a big way. So, how do you know when it's time to file? The FMCSA requires that you submit your update every 2 years, based on the last digit of your USDOT number. It's essential to keep track of your due date to avoid any disruptions. Remember, if you're not sure where to start or need a helping hand, FMCSAregistration.com is here to assist. We pride ourselves on being the #1 online service provider for the transportation industry, helping motor carriers, truck drivers, and brokers across the United States with FMCSA registration compliance. In wrapping up, staying compliant with the biennial update is not just a legal requirement, it's a smart business move. It keeps your operations running smoothly and helps you avoid unnecessary fines. So mark your calendars, stay informed, and let us handle the hard part. Visit us at FMCSAregistration.com or call us at 866-477-0707. Keep on trucking and stay safe out there on the road.